Productivity is everywhere. Books, videos, articles, conferences, Instagram accounts. It's almost an obligation to be productive. And sometimes, when I'm procrastinating, I feel guilty. So today, I think that we need to clarify some things. The word productivity comes from Latin pro, which means forward, and ducere, which means to lead. It's basically the act of leading forward, but it also means to yield or to produce. This is productivity, doing something that generates a wealth for you. Now, for you to be productive, the first thing you have to do is to decide what wealth you want to generate. We are all trying to be productive at all costs, but most of the time we lack a goal. We lack the reason to be productive. So please, stop feeling guilty for not having a goal. You just have to find it by taking some time to reconnect with what you really want, and everything will be fine, I promise. So let's say that the wealth you want to produce is to learn the timetables. Why not? You have your goal. Now, you just have to reach it. But here's the tricky part. The fact that we are all different means that you have not the right to compare yourself to others. It may take you 10 minutes to learn the timetable of one, when it will only take me 2, or vice versa. So trying to be as productive as the people we see on YouTube or in the videos is for me the biggest error that we do. It will just make you feel a good for nothing. What's the purpose of all these books and videos then? Well, they're a source of inspiration. The only thing I want you to take from all this drama is motivation. Reading Steve Jobs' biography or listening to someone that gives you advices to generate wealth faster is just the spark that can help you lit the fire. But for the fire to be lit, you have to prepare the pit with the logs, the branches, and maybe with some paper. At some point of its life, Steve Jobs decided to create that spark to lit the pit, and he continued to fuel it for years and years. Starting the fire is the less easy step, but once it's done, you just have to feel the heat, the power. What's awesome about this process is that with the time, you'll be able to add more and more wood, and maybe someday create a giant glowing torch, the most powerful lighthouse ever seen. Asking yourself to become Steve Jobs in a day or in a week is a little optimistic. The only thing that you will experience is frustration, because seeing that you can't be as productive as him after 1 hour of hard work will kill your motivation. So be realistic, listen to yourself, and be indulgent. Step by step, you'll muscle up your ability to become more efficient at generating the wealth you need. Now, once you know at what pace you can go, you have to respect it. Not too fast, but not too slow. If you know that learning the timetable of 2 will take you 10 minutes, then for you to be productive, you have to learn it in 10 minutes or less. If after 2 minutes I catch you watching my videos on YouTube, not the kind of productivity we are looking for. Or maybe it is, so come back when you're done. Keep in mind that the more deeply you want to generate the wealth, the less effort, the easier it will be for you to be productive. Sadly or not, I learned a Celine Dion song faster than the timetable of 7. The best conclusion I came up with is have fun, whatever you do. I think that this is the first video where I'm having so much fun. And, you know, you'll see your productivity levels destroying the charts. See you soon. Bye. When I was young, I never needed anyone, and making love was just for fun. Those days are gone. Merci Quebec. C'était un honneur d'être avec vous ce soir. It's terrible.